Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Netflix Kids account or profile into a normal account. So as you know, you can create a kids profile on Netflix account so that your kids can watch kid-friendly shows or movies. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can change kids profile into a normal or adult profile. Now you can just go to the Netflix application. Here, this is my Netflix, and now you can see this is a kids account. And if you want to change it into a normal or mature account, you can just tap on Manage Profiles in here, and then click on the profile that you want to change. As you guys can see that the maturity settings on this profile is kids and 10 plus. So if you want to change it, you can just click on edit in here under the maturity settings. And then you need to enter your password in here on the box. You can just write your password and then tap on continue. And after that, you'll see this viewing restriction. So the profile maturity rating for this profile is 10 plus. So if you want to change it into a normal or or adult, you can just go with 18 plus. So click on the circle at the top of 18, scroll down and then tap on save. Okay, here you can just go back to your profile, manage profiles. And you guys can see here, the profile has been changed into a normal one, not a kid profile. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.